Most seniors believe seafood is the healthiest thing on their plate. But what if that belief is quietly damaging your heart, joints, and energy levels? In this video, we're exposing 4 of the worst seafoods you should never touch after 60, and 4 of the best ones you should eat daily. These aren't just opinions. They're backed by peer-reviewed science, and every reference is linked below. So why isn't this information talked about more? Because seafood is a billion-dollar global industry, and the truth could hurt profits. Most people over 60 have no idea that common favorites like shrimp, scallops, squid, and imitation crab could be silently raising their cholesterol, spiking blood sugar, worsening joint pain, and stressing aging kidneys. Let's start with number 4, squid. It might look like a low-fat, high-protein option, but just 3 ounces carry a whopping 198 milligrams of cholesterol, and after 60, your liver doesn't handle cholesterol like it used to, increasing your risk of heart issues. Squid also contains purines, which break down into uric acid, leading to painful joint inflammation and even gout. Number 3, imitation crab. Also called surimi, this fake seafood is made from fish scraps, starches, sugars, and artificial flavorings that spike blood sugar like white bread. Bad news if you're diabetic or pre-diabetic. It's also packed with sodium, MSG, and preservatives that overload your kidneys and skyrocket blood pressure. Number 2, scallops. While they may seem clean and gourmet, scallops are filter feeders that naturally concentrate cadmium, a toxic heavy metal that builds up in your kidneys and bones. Just a few scallops a week could push seniors dangerously close to unsafe cadmium levels, increasing fatigue, protein leakage in urine, and loss of kidney function over time. Number 1, shrimp. Just a small handful contains 180 milligrams of cholesterol, and for seniors, that's dangerous territory. But it doesn't stop there. Shrimp contains tropomyosin, a tough protein that becomes harder to digest with age and can even trigger new allergies in people who've never had them before. Worse yet, most shrimp is farm-raised and loaded with antibiotic residues that disrupt your gut microbiome and raise your risk for antibiotic resistance. So if you're dealing with arthritis, fatigue, bloating, or heart risk, those 4 seafoods may be partly to blame. But there's good news. 4 underrated marine superfoods can help rebuild your joints, boost energy, and protect your heart. Starting with number 4, sea cucumber, a weird-looking marine animal packed with natural anti-inflammatory compounds and cartilage-supporting nutrients. Studies show it reduces joint pain by 35% in just weeks and contains chondroitin sulfate in a natural, highly absorbable form. Number 3, green-lipped mussels from New Zealand. These rare shellfish contain a special omega-3 called ETA, which blocks the enzyme that triggers joint inflammation. Seniors who ate them daily reported a 42% drop in pain and a 35% boost in mobility. Number 2, oysters, nature's multivitamin in a shell. Just 2 oysters can give you over 100% of your daily zinc, essential for immune strength, healing, memory, and even testosterone. They're also packed with vitamin B12, selenium, and copper, all vital for bone strength, nerve protection, and collagen formation. But the number 1 best marine food for seniors isn't even seafood. It's sea moss, a sea vegetable loaded with 90+ trace minerals including iodine, sulfur, magnesium, and collagen-building nutrients like proline and vitamin C. Sea moss doesn't just support your joints, it seals your gut lining, fuels your skin, improves thyroid health, and even helps your lungs. It forms a gel that soothes inflammation in your intestines, balances bacteria, and improves digestion, energy, and immunity, all from a plant. If you've been waking up stiff, feeling more bloated, or struggling with energy after 60, these powerful marine foods could help turn things around. And now we want to hear from you. Which seafood shocked you the most? Have you ever tried sea moss? Let us know in the comments. We read and reply to everyone. And if you found this helpful, hit subscribe. We've got more real, raw, science-backed senior health tips coming every week. See you in the next video.